How to delete recipient in Instarem. Follow these instructions. Log into your Instarem account with your email and password to access your dashboard securely. Tap on the Recipients tab from the menu to view all your saved beneficiary details in one place. Find the recipient you want to delete by scrolling through your existing list of beneficiaries. Tap on the recipient's name to open their details and manage their account status or settings. Locate the Active toggle switch and turn it off to deactivate the selected recipient instantly. Confirm your choice when prompted to save the changes and complete the deactivation process. The recipient is now hidden from your list and cannot be used for future transfers unless reactivated. Thank you for watching.